I wake up at 6:30 in the morning, prepare a cup of coffee and just breathe in Delhi's fresh air, which by the way is not fresh at all.
Hey guys, we have woken up and I look excited and horrible at the same time. I think I have got a runny nose. It's because of the morning, but I'm so excited for college. We are gonna get ready. We are gonna have our breakfast, hopefully, and then we'll take an Uber to the nearest metro station. We'll head to our college. I'm so excited to meet my friends. You know, my friends are the only reason I go to college for real. But yep, see you.
As I get ready, I skip breakfast, something that I don't recommend, of course. I take an Uber to Saket metro station and join the morning rush. The metro is full of life tired faces, parents with kids, students cramming for tests, and office workers glued to their phones. Navy officers getting off at Central Secretariat always catch my eye. It's humbling to see them, knowing they are serving the nation, yet they blend into the daily routine like everyone else. In the metro, we are all just passengers, briefly connected before we go on our separate ways. And there you have it, folks. Vishwavidyalaya Metro Station. The one place where no matter the day, you are treated like a full blown celebrity. I mean, seriously, रिक्शे वाले भैया लिटरली एकदम भाग के आते हैं नॉर्थ कैंपस के सारे कॉलेजेस के नाम ऐसे लेते हैं जैसे कोई मंत्र जप रहे हो एंड यू नेम योर कॉलेज एंड बूम दे आर प्रैक्टिकली रोलिंग आउट द रेड कार्पेट full celeb wala treatment. I usually arrive here a cool 10 minutes before class, but the race is on. Because let's be real, nothing's more cringy than showing up late, right? But anyway, बहुत बात हो गई मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ मैं खैर छोड़ो टाइम टू मेक अ मैड डैश टू क्लास बाकी बातें क्लास के बाद Guys, we have just gotten done with our class.
It was amazing.
And Ghazala got
Someone
kicked
got
out.
kicked out. Meet me there.
Where?
Are you going to watch the match? Yeah.
Prabodh is admiring the beauty of this painting. Whoa, damn. यार वैसे मैंने भी नहीं अरे जोशुआ So this is inside the main building of the college, जो front building है. Crazy है ना यार? You walk on the same floor as the world leaders walked on. And this is the painting of Bishop Brooke Westcott, and he was one of the founders of St. Stephen's College. Our roots go back to the Cambridge University because वहाँ से कुछ missionaries ने इस college की foundations ले करी थी. Now this is the principal's corridor. Again, जो सामने से दिखता है, and this block is known as the Andrews block. Now this is the Rudra lawn. ये सुबह सुबह when you enter the college इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And this is surely one of my favorite lawns in college. These are my friends जिनकी वजह से you get a reason to come to college besides the reason to study of course. Annoying है पर काम चल जाता है. By the way, Tasneem taught me a dance. So let's spam in the comments.
No, just one step. With this step forward. One. I told you. Okay, you mastered.
Hey guys, so I just got done with my class and yeah, I'm heading home right now. And the day ends like that. Full day, there's walking, and walking. But Delhi भी कितनी moody है ना यार. One moment it's blazing hot, the next it's pouring rain. और आज भी वही सीन था, totally unpredictable. लेकिन जब दिन खत्म होता है, everything just feels right. Stephen सच में अलग है यार. This was literally my 12th preference, but now that I have it and I have come here, I think it's the best. Sometimes I catch myself thinking how fast college life is moving. Today these corridors are ours, but tomorrow they'll belong to someone else. We'll eventually leave, but these moments, they'll be with us forever. Like those serene mornings in Rudra lawn rushing for the classes, college hall में event में साथ गाना और cafe के पास impromptu dance sessions where Tasneem made me look like an actual fool. But honestly, यही तो सब बातें बाद में याद आएंगी. And yes, canteen, oh sorry, cafe. The food not might be the best, but endless games with eco major people. By the way, shout out to you all. I love you guys. You walk in as a fresh face, full of excitement and naivety. And by the time you walk out, these walls have become a part of your story. पुरानी दीवारें लेकिन कितनी सारी memories. और दोस्तों की बात करें तो यार these are the people who make this entire journey special. हाँ कभी कभी they are really annoying और ऐसा लगता है जिनका काम irritate करना है, but college without them impossible to imagine. Prabodh, Ghazala, Prashad, Tasneem, I love you guys.
Okay, okay.
The moments we share, they are irrepressible. Tomorrow, the routine will start again. Metro, class, cafe, and some stress about the future. But today is different. Today, whatever we did, it's become a little story of its own. As the day ends, you find yourself wondering, did I truly achieve anything today? Did I make a difference, even a small one? Am I moving closer to my goals or am I lost? Sometimes the answers aren't clear. Progress can be hard to see in the moment, and the path forward might seem uncertain. But maybe that's okay. What matters is the present, this very moment. It's where we make our choices and shape our future. Future की टेंशन तो बाद में ले लेंगे, कल ले लेंगे. For now, let's embrace the present and find comfort in knowing that every step we take, however small, is a part of a bigger journey. This is why it's called the present, because it's the gift we have right now. And as we wrap up today, let's remember to enjoy every moment and cherish the now.